Okay, good. So let's get started. Before we get started, I'll make it very simple to understand what these sessions would be and what we would be going through. Just a moment. Okay, let me quickly get the presentation as well. Okay, so very good morning, everyone, and warm welcome to KSR Data Vision. So our primary aim for today's session is just to understand how Claude or how AI we can use with our day-to-day Power BI applications or with our day-to-day Power BI work, what we do, right? So first three things which I've mentioned you, we need a setup of Claude, we need a setup of Power BI Desktop, and we need a setup of VS Code. All three are open source. Like before we get started, let me introduce myself. Like myself, Ritesh. I have 8+ years of experience all into this IT industry, especially into the Microsoft stack and like into data engineering and data analytical functionalities. Like I've been associated with Microsoft for a few years, and I worked on different skills. Like I worked on different data engineering prospects also and data analytical prospects also, which includes Power BI, which includes Azure data engineering as well. That's my core expertise into this field. So what's the agenda for today's session is how AI can be used with Power BI. It's not only Power BI, it could be any BI tool, right? Our primary aim is to understand how Power BI we can integrate, but it could be any BI or any reporting tool which we can easily integrate with the AI. So how do we integrate Claude? What are the benefits of using AI, right? Now, I mean, if you're a working professional, you might have heard about this AI in every presentation, in every town hall, or in your company. If any meeting is going on, half of the discussion would be on AI. So, yes, AI has a good impact on our day to day life, but how good we can adapt that AI, how good we can consume that AI with our day to day use cases, that's what our primary aim is to understand, right? So, what are the benefits? And every benefit comes with certain limitation, right? Now, if you're working in this IT world, it's not always that if something is developed, it always would be a perfect entity. Every component comes with certain limitation. Every component comes with certain, like you can say, disadvantages, or maybe that's how the functionalities work, right? And we will also see how do you set up this functionality, right? Claude, MCP, and VS Code. Now, the three components which are very useful to like get started with Power BI Desktop. I mean, I assume most of you already have this installed in your system. The second one is VS Code, and the third one is Claude Desktop. Now, at a high level, why and how do you process this applications is, see, I'll make it very easy to understand as well, like how the setup would work or how the connections would work. Just give me a moment. Yeah. So let's assume that this is your Power BI. The application is your Power BI application. And this Power BI application, we need to connect it with a Claude. Now, Claude is what? It's a AI model, or you can say AI tool, not a model. Claude has many models embedded in it. It's an AI application where you can prompt it and it would give you the results, whatever you are prompting. Fair. So Claude is an external tool. Power BI is a product of Microsoft, right? It's a product of Microsoft. Now, every tool has certain, you can say, security features. What security features? You cannot connect Power BI or you cannot integrate Power BI directly into any other tool. I mean, that's the core of this any application which is developed by Microsoft or maybe any other company. So there is no direct functionality that you have to connect Claude with Power BI. It comes with a setup. Now, what is that setup? For that setup, you need to install VS Code. What is VS Code? Virtual Studio, like Visual Studio Code. Sorry, it's a Visual Studio Code. It's a free source application. Like it can be used for your coding purpose. It can be used for some prompting purpose. Are we using this VS Code for coding? No, we are just using as an intermediate layer. So this VS Code is also a product of Microsoft. It is also a product of Microsoft. Yes, VS Code has that capability to integrate with some third-party application. Like Claude is a third-party application, right? So we would connect this Claude to VS Code, and this VS Code would send that information via server to this Power BI. Same, once the Power BI executes, it would come back that result and it would again give us the final result to the Claude. So this would be to and fro discussion what we would be having, right? You cannot directly connect Claude to PBI. There is no direct functionality to connect, right? You always have to have an intermediate layer. Intermediate layer is your VS Code where you will install a server. Now, how to set up that server, how to install that server, we'll try to understand. Fair. Now, before like having